Hello guys, Mary here again. It's been a while since I made a video, and today I want to review a landing page that is more friendly, it's easy to use, and it can take you a few minutes to create an awesome landing page. This page is called Landing Page Monkey. As you can see here, it tracks the clicks, submits, and the percentage of conversions people click your landing page. So landing page creation is not that hard. It's easy. It takes you like 5 minutes and you're done creating a landing page. So I want you to see one page that I'm going to create right now, and then attach my link, my affiliate link, and you'll see the outcome. So let's go ahead. So when you sign up for Landing Page Monkey, you'll be sent to a dashboard for JVZoo. Then from there you'll access your purchase, activate and create your password. Then you'll go to Landing Page Monkey / members, then log into your landing page and start creating your landing pages. This landing page has some bonuses, so many of them, and then you can access them. It can help you. It will help you. You can see these are bonuses for this. So let's dive in. Let's go create a landing page. So you click create page, then this will pop up. You come and write, let's say you are promoting an offer. You can call it let's call it CPA, and then background image, you can leave it that way. It's easy, actually, it's very easy. Leave it that way. You can leave also this one that way. Go here, page, then change the headline. You can say make money online. Free membership. I'm just showing you how you can create this landing page. Then 100 a day. Then come down, then you come here. So you can attach your autoresponder. It will collect emails that will sign up on your landing page. So as for mine, I'll choose an email, only email, then choose my Aweber. Then I'll go to Aweber, then go to my list. Let's see this list. Let me just go to this list. Then I'll copy the ID, campaign ID, then paste it in my landing page. So give it a few minutes, let's wait for it to open, and then I'll show you. To manage list, go to procedure, let's use this one. Then you'll find here is the ID list. You just copy this, copy. Let's go back to our landing page monkey. Then we'll come and use it here, paste it. Then direct URL. So for today, I want to use my affiliate link from Powerhouse. I'll talk to you about Powerhouse in another video in a few minutes. I'll record a video about it and then we'll start doing it. So go to offers. Let's say I'm promoting. Let's see this looks approved. No, that one is not. I'm not been approved for that. I'm looking for something to have been approved. It will be easy. Let's say this one, this email submit. So I'll copy this link, my affiliate link, copy it, then let's go back to my landing page, paste it here. Good, and you're done there. So we can add a background video. So I'm going to look for one in YouTube. Let me look for one video. Background. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we find something. Just pick up. Just ignore that. So you can go do like this one, copy. So I'll copy this link. This is just an example. You make your own video that you use. Copy, and then I'll put it here. Paste. Then I want to go to advanced. I want it to start at 19 seconds. Yes, let's see there. So let's preview our landing page. We are almost done. Then see here the video not clear. And you can just do that way. Just copy a video. That's good. Not this one. So let me just preview our landing page. Let me change the video. Look for something good. Background. Let's look for luxurious beaches. Yeah, like this one. I'm going to use this one. So let's just put this, copy this link, copy. Then let's go back to our landing page. I want to change the video. The previous one was not that good. So paste. So let's preview it. See how it is. My internet is slow. It's really slow. So as you can see, my landing page, the video is taking long to load. Should have started. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, the video already came up. It's actually really good. And it's only, this landing page goes for $38 per year. You go for 14 day, $1 free, 14 day, $1 trial. Then after that you pay $37 per year. This is awesome. And this page also, it hosts your picture. You can use this for Facebook posts, your ad, anything. So it's a good page. Guys, if you need this page, kindly look for a link down here. Click it. Try it. It's $1 for 14 days, then pay for $37. So this is my page. Let me go save it. So I'll save this. And when I save this, I'll get my link here. So you come and click this and you get your HTTPS. You copy it, then You can attach it to, you can use a link locals, or you can host it on your domain and use it to drive traffic to your offers. So guys, this page is awesome at a cheaper price of $37 per year, which is great. So if you need it, there's a link down here. Click it and go and buy it. Thank you, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.